to my channel. This is Melanin Beauty. Welcome if you're new and welcome back if you are not. So you can see by the title and you can see by kind of what's going on, what this video is about. I know I'm doing a lot of hair videos. I promise you this is not just a hair channel, girl. I've been going through some things that I'm gonna tell you guys about in a vlog. So yeah, but anyway, we're not here for that. You're here to see this bomb ass hair install. Okay, so today's hair sponsor is from West Kiss Hair. Let me show you guys. I'm so glad they decided to send me some hair, girl. But before I get into this unit that they sent me, let me get into the goodies that they sent me, because I think it's nice to tell you what they I think it's nice to tell you guys what they sent me other than the wig, because I just love when a company sends you some goodies. Okay, they sent lashes. Okay, a headband. Okay, they actually sent me a lot of shit, a lot. Elastic band. You know you always need an elastic band, girl. So that will be used. Wig cap. You know they always send a wig cap. A West Kiss headscarf, which I love. A West Kiss wig bag to put your wig in. And then they sent a bonnet. Let me open it up. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, enough of that. Let's get into this unit. So this is a 18-inch 13x4 wand curl unit, and it is 180% density and 18 inches. I think I said that already. It is pre-pluck. It is. You could do more plucking, but for the most part, it's kind of nicely pre-plucked. Now, I told them that I wanted 18 inches because I'm just tired of the long hair, the long hair that I always be asking for. But seeing that this is, I don't know, I was so surprised when they said this was wand curled, and it really came wand curled. I don't know what I expected. I should have probably got a longer length so I wouldn't have to look like a little girl. But we're gonna fix this up. You know I'm gonna fix this up. This is beautifully curled. Beautiful, nice, tight wand curls. It is so pretty, and I'm excited. This is something different. This is something I never had before, baby. So you guys already know my makeup is half done. So if you're wondering why I'm looking crazy, that's why. For the hairstyle today, I'm thinking about doing maybe a side with this kind of curl. It's probably best to do a side part, and being how short it is, it's actually 18 inches, but the curls are so tight that it is, you know, it does look pretty short. So yeah, being that this is such a curly, beautiful wand curl unit, I might do it on the side, or I might go for a half up, half down. We gotta make it look good because I am going to a Halloween party this weekend, so so now that I look crazy, this is why I always like to do my makeup after. But lately I've been really wanting to save time, so in the past video you have seen me also do like half my makeup before. So I know I look crazy, but y'all already know the deal. Y'all know me. If y'all watch my channel, y'all know, baby, y'all know how I get down. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my Esha lace glue. You guys know I usually use the free spray, but like I said, I'm going out this weekend, so I don't plan on redoing my hair. I just plan on touching it up. So we're gonna stick this down with some lace glue. Yeah. Guys, if you are are struggling with your lace glue, because lace glue is something kind of hard to put on sometimes. Like, you have to really learn like a kind of technique. Something I could say is make sure the lace glue is more back here than it is here. Okay, you don't want it all the way down here, because it's going to be very hard to clean up if it's too much glue. So it's better to go back and apply more if you need it than try to scrub it off the glue that you don't need. You know what I'm saying? Forgot to adjust the adjustable straps in the back, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm just gonna tie it down with the elastic band for a few minutes while my what you call it, hot comb heats up, and then we're gonna, you already know, we're gonna free spray it with this, the Ibn adhesive spray, because you know I want this, I really do want this to last until at least Saturday, because I ain't doing my hair over again. No. y'all remember last video I did the arrogant Tay method where I curled the baby hairs? I realized I loved how my baby hairs came out, but I realized why they didn't come out like how I see other girls, because I curled it the wrong way. It's supposed to be curled up instead of curled down. And I'm like, oh, okay. Yeah, guys, I end up over plucking, did not even realize, like I was completely in, like staring in space, and I didn't even realize, but I fixed it with mascara. So I just want to show you guys, you could still finesse. Okay, I'm back. I'm looking good. Let's see what we're working with this hair. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I had trouble, like the hair is beautiful, but I had trouble like really framing my face. Kind of, I think y'all saw it in the video, kind of struggled with deciding if I liked it or not. I had to cut a lot of layers, a good amount of layers for this to actually frame my face. Let me see. Let me just play with it. Sometimes you really do gotta play around with this hair because it's tightly curled. You know, you don't want to look like an old lady. So, and I'm still cutting layers because I'm really trying to frame my face. But I think this wig is beautiful because just imagine, like, you guys know how long it takes to actually achieve curls like this. Okay, I like it. I like it. That is the end of the video. I do feel like this hair is kind of giving Marilyn Monroe vibes. I don't know why, but yeah, so I really like this. Keep in mind that the hair is tightly wand curled, so when you receive your hair, it might look shorter than the length because it's tightly wand curled. This was an 18-inch unit. I did cut it to frame my face. I just love it. Remember, this is 180% density, 13x4. And yeah, it was really fun to play with, and I think I nailed this. Okay, and I think it's gonna go perfect with my look this Saturday when I go to my Halloween party, because it's giving like jungle vibe, but kind of like sexy and mysterious at the same time, in my opinion. The link to this unit will be in the description box, so make sure you purchase this unit. You do not want to miss out on this soft, luscious, thick hair. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys for watching, and thank you West Kiss for sending me this unit, and I'll see you guys in the next video.